I know back to school shopping will have some of you all stressed about money, but here's the thing. On Sunday, August 24th, we're about to bless hundreds of families. My personal barber, Way Too Sharp Barbershop, and AO Enterprise, myself, are giving away free, fresh haircuts for kids. I said it, free. Also, backpacks filled with school supplies. Free food provided by Flavor to Food Truck, bounce houses, live DJ, and so much more with the grand prize of laptops. Now, these are going to go fast. These are first come, first served. And so on Sunday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Way Too Shop Barbershop off of 7091 Berry Road in Accokeek, Maryland, I want you there. And I want to be real with you. Your kids deserve to walk into the classroom feeling like the kings and the queens they are. Don't let them start unprepared when we're literally handing out for free everything they need to get started. We want to help you. We want to be a blessing. So bring your kids, tell your friends and family, and let's show up as a community on August 24th. Let's have some fun. Let's get some fresh haircuts and start this school year off correct. I'll see you all August 24th at 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Check the show notes for the address again. God bless.
The very first thing I did when I got sick and tired of being sick and tired of not having any money, I got focused and I locked all the way in. So number one is I need you to focus and get locked in. Get focused and get locked in. You absolutely have the power to shift your financial future. But it starts with you, and it starts with small, consistent steps. Small, consistent steps. I got sick and tired of waking up every single day and seeing this gut form. I remember pre-COVID when I had a very nice shape, and some of you all have been following me since then. You all know your boy I was thick. I didn't have a gut like that. But after COVID and shifting out on my own and honestly going through a little bit of stress for a little while, I allowed this body to get out of shape. And I wasn't pleased with what I saw in the mirror. So what I would do is I would cover it up with nice fancy clothes, just to being honest with you. But I knew I didn't like what I saw. I liked the clothes that I had on, but it was covering how I really felt about what was below and beneath the clothes. And so just recently, man, I hired a coach. And I paid him good money. I said, hey, for the next 90 days, I need you to hold me accountable. And I need you to help me shift my body. You know what the first thing he said? He said, Anthony, it's going to require you to get focused and locked in. You have the capabilities of getting the body that you desire. But can you focus and can you get locked in? And I told him yes. And the question is, if you want to change your finances, can you focus and can you get locked in? I'm going to be challenging you for the next 30 days. If you don't have $1,000 that's just sitting in your savings account, if you don't have $5,000 that's sitting in your savings account, I'm going to challenge you to take a 30-day no spend challenge. Got to get this thing right. There's no perfect time to start. Right now is when you need to start. I need you to pull out your calendar and pick a start date. As a matter of fact, I want you to have a no spend challenge. For the next 30 days, I want you to commit to spending only on the essentials. I recommend starting with the next 3 to 7 days. Don't overthink it, just commit to it. Waiting won't change your situation, hear me clearly. And excuses will always be there. But time won't always be on your side. So make a decision, and I need you to stick to it.
All right, family, let me keep it real with you right now. You see, most people avoid talking about life insurance because it's uncomfortable. It takes forever to get approved. And honestly, it feels like you're planning for the worst. Totally get it, right? But I used to think the exact same thing. Here's what changed in my mind. You see, 40% of Americans don't have life insurance at all. And the The ones who do, their policies are usually worth just 2 times their annual salary. That's nowhere near enough money to protect your family, to protect the people who you say you love. Now, you know me, I don't partner with just anybody. But when I found Ethos, I got my own $2 million policy because they made it simple, extremely simple. No medical exams, no blood tests, no waiting weeks. I literally got covered in 10 minutes from my phone. No lie. Over 2,000 families get approved through Ethos every single day. They've got an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and 4.8 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot. These aren't just numbers. These are real families getting protected right now. Here's the truth. Life insurance rates go up about 8 to 10% every single year you wait. The same policy I got a few years ago will cost me way more if I apply today. Your family's financial security should never depend on your paycheck alone. That's not building wealth. Don't wait until it's too late. I want you to visit anthonyoneal.com/ethos to get a free quote today. You're going to apply in minutes. You're going to get covered today. You're going to protect your family's future. We're counting on you. Go to anthonyoneal.com/ethos.
So listen, I want to give you this now, actually. I'm thinking about it now. I want to give it to you right now. I want you to go to anthonyoneal.com/21 days. Again, that is anthonyoneal.com/21 days. All you're going to do is simply, it's 100% free. And actually, I'm going to have Ed pull it up on the screen right now so you all can see it. Go to anthonyoneal.com/21 days, and you will see find extra cash in your budget in just 21 days. This is a free 21-day challenge to discover hidden money and to start building your financial freedom. Here, we're going to give you daily money tips, right? We're going to boost your savings. We're going to improve financial habits, and we're going to give you some solid free resources. All right. So this is as you're going through the next 30 days of no spending. For the first 21 days, I'm going to send you an email every single day that's going to help you start this path. It is 100% free because I need to get $1,000 inside of your bank account ASAP. And remember, you're going to park this money inside of your high yield savings account over at SoFi. But I wanted to find what essentials really are. All right. So for the next 30 days, your rent or mortgage, utilities, insurance, and car payment, if you have one, which I hope you can get rid of it soon if you do. All right. That's it. No extras, no justifications, no treat yourself moments. No, I'm going on a date. No, I got to look good for this event. No. For the next 21 days, 30 days, I need you to focus on just your rent or mortgage, utilities, insurance, car payment, and also food. You need groceries. All right. You definitely need groceries. All right. This is not the time, brothers, for you to sit there and to be like, hey, let me just take, no. If you want to go out on a date, figure out a way to where you can make it free. And if she ain't rocking with it, then she just ain't you. Because if you're trying to better yourself, make sure you're aligning yourself with individuals who respect the journey that you're on. Because this challenge will help you reset your spending habits. You're going to become more intentional with your money, and it's going to reveal just how much you're truly capable of saving. You see, according to a most recent study, the average American overspends by over $600 a month on non-essential purchases. That's crazy. Listen, that's over $7,000 a year going on things like takeout, dating, subscriptions, impulse buying, Instagram buying. I ain't trying to knock Fashion Nova, but I'm hearing that Fashion Nova, man, is getting the bag, ladies. It's getting the bag. And here's what bothers me. I talk to a lot of ladies, and sometimes like, man, I bought stuff from Fashion Nova, or I bought stuff from over here, and I still got the tag on it. I wore it one time, or I bought it, or never wore it. And I remember talking to a young lady, it was about a few years ago. And she was trying on outfits. I was like, oh, that's dope. And then I said, hey, let's go out to this concert. Mind you, just the day before she was trying on outfits. She's like, oh, shoot, I need to go buy something nice for her. I said, wait. I said, baby girl, you on FaceTime, you was just trying on different outfits. And they look good. What you need to go buy a new outfit for the concert? I said, this doesn't make sense. So she went and she spent money on a brand new outfit when she had 3 already inside of her closet that she could have worn. I want you to imagine, just for yourself, I want you to imagine wherever you are, you know where you spend that extra money at. Imagine what you could do with that money. You'll be shocked at how much extra cash shows up when you cut the fluff. You're gonna be shocked when you go through this 21-day money challenge that you're gonna sign up for today, right now, of how much extra cash you're gonna find by the end of these 30 days. And here's what I want you to do with that savings. Put them straight into a high yield savings. If you don't have one, I highly recommend checking out SoFi. It's simple, it's accessible, and a smart way to make your money work harder for you. And what they're doing is right now, they're running a huge special. And for my people, if you go to anthonyoneal.com/savings or anthonyoneal.com/SoFi, we should have a lower third coming up here for you now. If you open up the account and you open it up with a checking and a savings account, and you put a direct deposit into the checking account, they're going to give you not just almost a 4% interest rate on your money, but they're going to give you an extra $300 to put towards your budget. Now, if you don't have $1,000, you just got $300. Now you're only $700 away. Now, Anthony, I already have a checking account where my money's getting direct deposit into. I got you. Watch this. Here's the secret. Here's the secret. Put the direct deposit. Let's say, for an example, you tithe 10%. Let's say you're saving 5 or 10% of your money. Well, go back to your HR department and say, hey, listen, I want to keep my direct deposit going there, but I want to take 10% of that and put it inside and have a direct deposit going into this particular account. You have that particular account, and then boom, your checking account, you have it automatically transferred into your savings account. Here's why I like SoFi. It's because with my high yield savings, well, with one of them, because I have a SoFi account, but with one of them where a bulk of my money is at right now, I don't have access to a checking account. So this means that I got to wire my money from that account to this account. If I ever had an emergency, that could take 24 hours. Well, with SoFi, you can transfer the money from your high yield savings account into the checking account. And because you have a checking account, SoFi is going to send you a Visa debit card, and you can use that like a credit card, like credit, because of the Visa logo. So SoFi is a beautiful option because it's going to come with a checking account. All right. So I need you to get that, sign up, and I promise you, you'll thank me later. Listen, it's time to start letting your money take control of you and start taking control of it.